Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, Mama.
Walaikum assalam, Fatma. How are you doing?
Mama, I was so worried about last night.
Why, my daughter? What happened?
I got scared last night, Mama.
What made you scared, Fatma?
I heard a scary sound which was coming from the street.
Which type of sound, Fatima?
I heard the barking of dogs at night, which made me so scared.
Oh, my sweet daughter, don't be scared. Did you recite Ayatul Kursi?
No, Mama, I forgot.
No problem, Fatma. But next time, try not to forget about reciting the Ayatul Kursi. And today, I'm going to tell you one more dua as well.
Which dua, Mama?
Fatima, whenever you hear the barking dogs or braying donkeys, you can read the dua to seek refuge in Allah, for it has seen a devil. The dua is
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
it means I seek refuge with Allah and Satan, the outcast.
Wow, Mama, this is such an amazing dua. I learned this dua, inshallah.
Yes, my lovely daughter, that would be great.
Mama, have you prepared breakfast? I'm getting late for school.
Yes, Fatima, the breakfast is ready. Enjoy the meal.
Jazakallah, Mama.